TYBSc Physical Chemistry is practical. Practical is of surface phenomenon. Today's practical is to investigate the adsorption of the acetic acid on activated charcoal and test the validity of Friedrich adsorption isotherm. Okay. So there are certain definitions in surface chemistry or surface phenomenon like adsorption, adsorbent, adsorbate, etc. So adsorption is nothing but tendency to show by a liquid to attract other molecules or atoms on its surface. Okay, it is called adsorption. And adsorbent is nothing but the substance on the surface of which the adsorption takes place. It's called adsorbent. Adsorbate is nothing but the substance being adsorbed is known as adsorbate. Okay, so Friedrich suggested an empirical relationship between the amount of adsorbate being adsorbed and the concentration of solution solid system. So this is nothing but empirical relationship where X is nothing but amount of adsorbate adsorbed, M is nothing but amount of adsorbent, C is nothing but concentration of the solution at equilibrium, and K and N is nothing but constant whose values depend upon the nature of adsorbate, adsorbent and the temperature. Okay, so Friedrich isotherm we are going to investigate by using activated charcoal and acetic acid. So theory of this practical is nothing but at a constant temperature adsorption of solutes depend upon the concentration of the solution provided the nature and amount of the adsorbent is kept constant. Means at constant temperature adsorption of a solute is depends on the concentration of solution. Means when we are keeping temperature constant, the total adsorption of a solute is depend on the concentration of solution, and nature and amount of adsorbent is kept constant in this process. Okay, so by taking different concentration of solution at which the same amount of adsorbent is added, the extent of adsorption can be varied. Means if we are taking different concentration of solution in which we are adding same amount of adsorbent, means the adsorbent which is in same for example in gram or certain quantities which is in same amount is added, and then we can vary it or we can extent of adsorption can be varied. Okay, by plotting appropriate graph this isotherm can be verified. Requirements for these practicals are 5 glass topped bottle, phenolphthalein indicator, charcoal powder 1 gram each, 5 packets of charcoal powder, then 0.5 normal acetic acid solution, 0.1 normal NaOH solution, conical flask, distilled water, burette and pipette. So there are two parts in practical. First is nothing but a standardization of a acetic acid solution. So first pipette out 10 cm cube of acetic acid solution in 150 cm cube conical flask and add 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to it. Two drops of phenolphthalein indicator. And titrate it against 0.1 normal NaOH solution. End point will be light pink color. Okay, end point of the titration, and from this we can determine CBR, constant burette reading, and from that we can determine the normality of the acetic acid. Okay, part second of the practical is nothing but determination of a normality of acetic acid in a different mixture. So prepare 5 stoppered bottles according to this. Okay, in first bottle 50 cm cube of 0.5 normal CH3COH solution and no water added. In second bottle 40 cm cube CH3COH and 10 cm cube distilled water. Okay, according to this chart, prepare 5 bottles. According to chart, prepare 5 bottles. Now add 1 gram of charcoal powder, activated charcoal, in each bottle and shake it and stand for 30 minutes with occasionally shaking. Stand this 5 bottles for 30 minutes with occasionally shake it occasionally. And then stand for some minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes, filter your mixture by using ordinary filter paper. Okay, filter each mixture. After filtration, pipette out 10 cm cube of the solution from each flask and titrate against standardized 0.1 normal NaOH solution using phenolphthalein indicator. Okay, end point will be colorless to light pink. Okay, end point will be colorless to light pink. For a further solution we will take same process. Okay, after titration we will get such readings and expected graph like this. Okay.